all, this is Hardik Basu. So today we are going to study about supersonic and subsonic speeds or aircrafts. So you can see this is an Airbus A380 and this is Concorde, which got extinct after 2003. So this is a picture, but in reality it is not there present. But Emirates said that they are supposed to start the service of Concorde again from 2022. So you can see what is subsonic. So subsonic means an aircraft that cannot go above 567 miles per hour are called subsonic planes. So what is the difference between this and this? So let us study about that. So you can see it has a pointed nose. So these bad guys can go up to 60,000 feet above the sky. So you can understand that at much speed, so it needs a very large fuel tank. So you can see this is a fuel tank and this is the turbojet engines. So nowadays turbojet engines are found only in military aircrafts like Navy ones. You can go. So this point is foldable. So at 1500 miles per hour, it is really hard to control at 3500 degree 500 feet. So that is the cruising altitude of this aircrafts, that is subsonic. So if they go above that limit like 60,000 feet, it can control its movement. So means the pilot can control its movement. So this is the main difference between the supersonic and the subsonic planes. Subsonic planes use this engines. This is a turbofan engine. I can say this is a turbofan engine, and this is called the turbojet. Means it these four engines combine together to form one of this turbojet engines. Means you can identify how much speed is given to the power, so it can make it fly. So why is Concorde not started its service after 2003? So the main thing is money and demand. So the money cost around much, and the fuel tank is also large, so it needs a high amount of fuel, but it can only fit up to 100 passengers per flight, as well as it can an Airbus A380 can seat up to 800 passengers or above it. So this is the difference, because every 1 hour it burns up to 56 gallons of fuel, while Airbus is comparatively smaller than it. So we can identify the difference between supersonic and subsonic planes. So nowadays fuel economy is going down, that's why Airbus A380 is now discontinued, but it is still now in service by Emirates and other aircrafts. So Concorde is now banned, but as technology is moving ahead, scientists are being trying to continue the Concorde. There are two types of supersonic plane. Only two of these models have been double of Tu-144. This is also a supersonic plane. It has a short-lived life. You can see this pointed nose. It is a very short-lived. So why it is being short-lived? Because these two turbofan engines were there, so it can't go above 60,000 feet, as it can't handle power, because turbofan engines can only reach a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. That is the cruising altitude of this normal aircrafts or subsonic aircrafts. So that's why it has been discontinued. It has a short-lived life, but as Concorde had a turbojet engine, so it continued till 2003. After that, it was banned. So this is the main difference between subsonic and supersonic planes. You can like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you for your support, and this is Hardik Basu signing off.